Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the best photo editing tool for transforming your images into visual masterpieces. In this video, I'll explore the powerful features and techniques that will help you unlock the full potential of Snapseed. Since I have already downloaded it, I am going to open the app. First, you have to load the photo onto it by tapping the plus mark. Here we have come to the Snapseed's user-friendly interface, designed for seamless navigation and efficient editing. The various tools and menus are neatly organized, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Let's begin with the essential editing tools. You can edit your photos by changing brightness, contrast, saturations, ambience, highlight, shadows, and warmth. With using these tools, you can get a fantastic outcome. I'm not going to explain each and every one of these options. Instead of that, I'm going to explain some major functions of that. As I said earlier, you can use these functions for your picture editing. Once you select the option, you can edit the picture by just sliding your finger onto left hand side and right hand side. Cropping feature allows you to trim and resize your photos with precision. Snapseed's lens blur function adds depth and focus to your photos. Select the area to keep sharp and apply a customizable blur effect for stunning picture, perfect for emphasizing subject and achieving professional looking images. Rotate function easily straighten crooked horizon and adjust photo angles. It level out landscapes or add creative twists to compositions for visually appealing results. The head pose tool allows you to adjust the position of a subject's head, correct slanted or tilted head angles to ensure natural and well-aligned portraits. Snapseed's frames feature lets you enhance your photos with stylish borders and frames. Choose from a variety of options to add a finishing touch and give your images a polished look. With Snapseed's text feature, you can overlay customizable text onto your images, add captions, quotes, or personal messages to make your photos more engaging and expressive. You can insert text in different fonts, formats, and different combinations of colors. Snapseed's perspective tool corrects skewed lines and distortions in your photos, strengthens buildings, adjusts vanishing points, and achieve symmetrical compositions with ease. Snapseed's vignette feature adds a subtle or dramatic darkening effect around the edges of your photos. Create a focal point, draw attention, or evoke a vintage look with this powerful tool. Snapseed's Retrolux filter brings vintage charm to your images. Choose from a range of effects to add film-like tones, textures, and light leaks for a nostalgic and artistic touch. Snapseed's grainy film filter recreates the nostalgic and textured look of grainy analog film. Enhance the atmosphere and add character to your photos with this vintage inspired effect. Vintage filter provides a retro aesthetic to your images. Adjust the strength and tone to achieve a classic and timeless look that captures the essence of bygone eras. Snapseed's brush tool offers precise control over selective adjustments. Dodge, burn, or apply enhancements to specific areas of your photos, allowing for targeted and detailed editing. Snapseed's HDR Escape filter combines multiple exposures to bring out vibrant colors and enhance dynamic range. Achieve stunning HDR-like effects with a single tap, adding depth and drama to your images. Once you are done editing your photos, Snapseed offers convenient option to share, save and export your final images. With just a few taps, you can preserve your masterpiece. Easily share it with friends and family on social media platforms, or even export it for professional printing. Snapseed ensures that your edited pictures are ready to be enjoyed and shared with the world. In conclusion, Snapseed is an incredible photo editing tool that empowers you to unleash your creativity and transform ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art. With its user-friendly interface, powerful editing features, and a wide range of filters and effects, Snapseed provides endless possibilities for enhancing, refining, and truly bringing your images to life. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced photographer, Snapseed is your companion for elevating your editing game and creating visually stunning masterpieces. So dive in, explore its tools, and let your imagination soar with Snapseed. Thank you for watching. My friends, if you found this video helpful and informative, I would greatly appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with more valuable content. Thank you once again for your time and support.